Part A. Find the reciprocal of 20. Reciprocal means to turn the fraction upside down. So 20 as a fraction is 20 over 1. So if I turn that upside down, I'm going to get 1 out of 20. So the reciprocal of 20 is 1 over 20. Part B. Work out the value of 3 to the power 220 divided by 3 to the power of 190 times 3 to the power 28. Whatever you do, do not use your calculator for this question. It's on the calculator paper, but if you try and use your calculator will just tell you maths error because these numbers are far too big for your calculator to be able to deal with. Luckily, we're much smarter than calculators. We don't need to use the calculator for it. We can figure it out using our brains because we know all about index laws. For example, this 3 to the power of 190 times 3 to the power 28 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 218 because I know that when I multiply powers, when I multiply those two terms together, I can add the powers. And 190 plus 28 is 218. I've still got the 3 to the power 220 on the top. Now, dividing, I can subtract the powers. So 3 to the power of 220 divided by 3 to the power 218 will be 3 to the power 2, because 220 take away 218 is 2. And 3 squared, I know that that's 9. Asma was asked to write down 5 to the power 60 cubed as a power of 5. And here's her working out. She said that 5 to the power 60 cubed is the same thing as 5 to the power 60 plus 3, which is 5 to the power 63. Is she correct? Well, no, she's not correct. Because 5 to the power 60 cubed means 5 to the power 60 times 5 to the power 60 times 5 to the power 60. That's what the cubed means. That's what this cubed here means. Which would mean I would have to do 5 to the power of 60 plus 60 plus 60. Which is 5 to the power of 180. Or I could just say 5 to the power 60 cubed is 5 to the power 60 times 3, which is 5 to the power of 180. Either way you're going to explain it, she's wrong. She shouldn't have added 60 and 3. She should have multiplied 60 times 3.